Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. It is going to be busy, lots of earnings, so relax and let me show you the schedule for the upcoming week. No trade rooms on Monday. We'll start at 6:30 in the morning Eastern Time for McDonald's earnings. Back at 8:15 for not a new report, but a report we haven't really looked at recently. 8:15 a.m. for retail and wholesale inventories. 9:30 we'll be back for CB Consumer Confidence and the JOLTS report, which is a stream on YouTube. And then no trade room for the 7-year auction because it really hasn't been performing well. That's a 1 o'clock event. We'll be back in the room on Tuesday for Alphabet's earnings at 3:30, Snap, AMD, and the API report, all taking place at 3:30 in the room. All events are not taking place at 3:30, but we'll be in the room at 3:30. Now watch the magic of editing as I fix this time on the report rather than redo the whole video. There you go. The API report is a family money trade, and then we'll finish out Tuesday at 8:15 for the Australia CPI report. Wednesday at 4 a.m. no trade room for Spanish flash CPI and GDP. Keep an eye on that with the euro. We'll be in the room on Wednesday at 6 a.m. for Caterpillar. Also Humana trading at the same time. Caterpillar is the one that will move the market. And we'll stick around for Eli Lilly, something new we've never done before. Back at 7:45 for the Family Money Trade ADP report, also a YouTube stream. We'll stay in the room for Advanced GDP. No trade room for pending homes. We'll just keep an eye on that report and record it. We'll be back Wednesday at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories, and then 3:30 for Meta, a Family Money Trade Microsoft earnings. No trade room for Australia retail sales and building approvals. That's an 8:30 event. But we will make a quick return to the room at 9:15 for Chinese manufacturing and non-manufacturing. Thursday morning, you European traders or folks that love the European news, 6 a.m. keep an eye on that core CPI flash estimate in the Eurozone. We'll be back in the room at 8 a.m. for the core PCE price index and unemployment claims and Canada GDP. Back again at 9:15 on Thursday for Chicago PMI, natural gas storage, and then Amazon earnings, the family money trade at 3:30 with a wait in the room for Apple's earnings. They'll take place at 4:30. Then we will finish out the day with Kaishin Manufacturing, a Chinese news report at 9:30, and keep an eye out 11 p.m. the Japanese rate decision, not always released when they say exactly it will be released, but it is expected around 11 p.m. Thursday evening. Friday, Swiss CPI at 3:30 in the morning. No trade room. We'll have a trade room at 8 a.m. for the jobs report, NFP, a family money trade, and then ISM manufacturing will be in the trade room to finish out a busy week on Friday at 9:30. I do want to remind everybody we have our special sale. If you caught our webinar, you should be getting ready for that special sale. And just keep an eye on your email for the link, and you can join with us for an unbelievable opportunity. Leigh Goldstein signing out, 10-Minute Trades. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you in the trade room.